Hello guys, so I'm here again live sa Create Money Machine. Actually, I'm live using my stock mentor nil page. At kayo naman guys, I hope that, so batiin ko lang muna kayo before ako mag-umpisa. So I hope everybody is fine, everybody is good and doing good out there in Philippines at kahit saang parte ka man ng daigdig. So ako ngayon ay nag-live dahil mayroong nag-message sa akin na paano ba talaga kumita ng pera sa stock market. So before that, I just check. I hope that naririnig nyo ako. So wala pang nagjo-join. Okay, mayroon ng 5 joiners. So you can write a chat message here para makita ko kung mayroon kayong mga tanong dyan. So the question guys is about how do you earn money from stock market? So it's a very, very basic question. So basically guys, ang stock market ay parang bumibili ka lang nito ng any kind of products. Let's say, pumupunta ka sa palengke para bumili ng mga gulay. Diba? So, but in stock market, ang binibili natin dito is companies. At pag bumili ka ng shares or stock or shares ng company na yan, ang every share is pinaka-smallest unit ng isang company. So ito yung pagmamay-ari ng isang company na pagbilhin mo yung one or more shares, then it means that you are a part owner of that company. Ngayon, iba't ibang company, meron tayong I think 100 plus companies sa Philippine Stock Exchange. Iba't ibang presyo naman mayroon ang mga stocks sa stock market sa Pilipinas. Kagaya halimbawa nitong SM Investment Corporation. So ito yung company na nagmamay-ari ng mga SM malls around the Philippines. So I'm for sure I know that you know kung ano itong SM na company. So almost everybody knows. So kung titingnan nga natin, malaki nga yung potential ng company na yan kasi kahit hindi pa man tayo isinilang, existing na yung company na to. At until now, they are continuously expanding. Nagtatayo sila ng additional branches, especially sa mga probinsya. Kahit nga doon sa amin, sa Tacloban, mayroon ng isa doon na medyo maliit na SM, pero mayroong gagawing mas malaki pang SM. So, mga provinces, mga cities, yun ang mga plans nila. So, basically, this is really a growing company at big potential to grow more and more. So, sabi ko nga, unless Filipinos will stop going to SM to buy something, clothes, or anything, food, at kung ano-ano pang mga bagay na gusto natin, unless Filipinos will stop that culture na pupunta sa malls every after sweldo para mag-shopping. Kasi mahilig naman tayo mag-shopping, di ba? At hindi lang yun, mahilig tayong magpa-aircon sa magpalamig doon sa SM, sa mga mall kasi nga mainit sa Pilipinas. So, yun, this growth will not stop. So it will always rise, will increase in the coming 10 years, 20 years, or 30 years later. Kasi by nature, Filipinos are really consumers. So mahilig tayong pumili ng mga bagay-bagay sa mga malls. At mga entertainments pa doon. Hindi lang mga produkto yung nandun, mga entertainments din. At so, yun, isa ito sa consideration natin. Bakit maganda mag-invest sa SSM Investment Corporation. So, ngayon, makikita nyo na 972 yung current price niya. So, teka lang So, kuha lang ako ng pointer dito para at least ma-encircle. So, at this is the current price. Teka lang. Yan. Yan ang last price. So, which is 972.5. At guys, kung babalik tayo sa way back many years ago. 2014, yung SM was only 459. At ngayon, 705 na. I mean, not only 972 pala. So, malaki yung pinagbago ng price within a period of 3 years. So, almost double. So, ito yung price na to is per share. So, halimbawa, nabili mo dito ng 480, for example, at mayroon kang 100 shares of SM. So, 100 times 100 times 480. So, ito yung budget mo nun nung mag-invest ka, 48,000. Pero ngayon, SM is already 970 times 100. So, ilan na ngayon yung money mo? That's already 97,000 versus 48,000 kanina. So, within 3 years. So, halimbawa kung nag-invest ka, nilagay mo yung pera mo dito sa SM stocks. Bumili ka ng stocks. At tinayaan mo lang within 3 years. So, yung 48,000 mo in the year 2014 is already 97,000, which is almost double. So, kung yung pera mo sa 2014, inilagay mo lang sa bangko, itong 97,000 is impossible kasi banks are just giving maximum of 1% every year. So, meron kang 48,000, no? Times 1%, that is 0.01. So, every year is only 480. So, meron tayong 3 years na pagitan. So, within 3 years, ang nilago lang ng pera mo doon sa bangko is 1,440. So, imagine guys. So, kanina, nag-invest ka sa stock, pinakita ko na yung pera mo naging 97,000. Pero kung nilalagay mo lang yung pera mo sa bangko, that is only 1,440 yung profit mo. Pero kung sa stock, so 97,000 minus 48,000, that is 49,000 profit within 3 years na nilagay mo yung pera mo doon. So that is the power of stock investing. At take note guys, nilagay mo lang yung pera mo doon. So this is what it means that when you are investing, the money is working for you. Hindi ikaw yung nagtatrabaho para kumita ng pera, which we usually do as a full-time employee. So sa stock market, it has really that power to compound your money. So this is the so-called compound interest. Kasi yung pera mo, every now and then, nagpa-profit at nire-reinvest mo lang. Hinahayaan mo lang na lumago siya. So yan ang power ng stock investing. So I hope guys na naklaro ko. So of course guys, hindi may iwasan na may mga companies talaga na palugi. I mean yung stock price is instead of going up, going down. Kagaya na lang ng Century Pacific Food. Okay, enlarge ko to. So hindi palaging ganyan na increasing yung market price sa stock market. So mayroon din mga companies na ito ito 2016 magandang example to for good stock. Pero let's say for example AFNI. Actually nag-hula-hula lang ako kung ano yung companies na pwede kong maging example. Pero tingnan ko dito, okay, hindi ito magandang halimbawa. Every company na chine-check ko maganda yung performance. So parang good sign talaga yan na maganda akong pumili ng stock. So, okay, tingnan natin. Okay, I know. DD, itong Double Dragon. Hindi ito sikat na company, pero ay pinapakita ko lang sa inyo na hindi ito na maganda, hindi naging maganda yung performance niya recently. So, ito isang halimbawa ng hindi magandang stock. So, tingnan mo kung nakabili ka last 4 February 2017 at a price of 54, ngayon yung 54 pesos na yan per share naging 38.5 na lang, which is very very bad. So, it's like 20% down. So, yun. So, here is the thing. Para maging successful ka sa stock investing, it's very important to know how to choose a good stock, how to choose a good company. So, ini-evaluate natin yung financial health ng isang company. So, hindi lang tayo basta pili ng pili kung saan-saan na company. Kasi stock investing is really about what is the potential of that company to grow in the next year. Kung wala siyang potential to grow, hindi yan maganda. So that's why in my stock mentoring via online, tinuturuan ko yung mga estudyante ko kung paano nga ba pumili ng magandang company. Paano natin i-evaluate yung isang company from very fundamentals dito is yung tinatawag na financial report. The financial report is a mandatory document or paper which is mandatory by all companies in the Philippine Stock Exchange every quarter or every 3 months or every year required yung mga publicly listed companies sa Philippine Stock Exchange na mag-submit ng financial report. At kapag nadidelay sila kahit ilang weeks or days lang, napipenalize sila niyan ng PSE, Philippine Stock Exchange. So hindi pwedeng ma-delay sila kasi investors are watching these papers. These are the basis for them to invest. Or will they hold their investment or they will continue to buy more shares or if they want to decide to sell. Kasi ito yung magiging parang natin, benchmark kung maganda ba yung takbo ng kumpanya or hindi. So yun. So balik tayo dito. Halimbawa, kuha naman ako ng isa pang example. Halimbawa, GFC. GFC is the symbol of Jollibee. So alam naman natin na mga Pilipino talagang mahilig kumain sa Jollibee. Di ba? Kahit nga ako nung bata pa ako, talagang sinasabi ko kay nanay na punta tayo ng Jollibee. So, ito talaga yung natin, pambansang parang food chain sa Pilipinas. So, tingnan natin naging performance. So, tingnan mo, itong Jollibee, nag-up and down siya. Halimbawa, okay, so, tingnan natin yung higher perspective. Okay, so, yan, tingnan nyo. So, nag-umpisa ang Jollibee way back 2004. And the price during that time, 2004, I was just a college student. So the price was only 19.56 per share. Pero nasa na siya ngayon after ilang years na ba? 6 plus 7, then 12 years. After 12 years, yung 19.56 na price, naging 204 na. That is really huge. So magkano yan? 204 minus 19.5 equals 184.5. So ilang percent growth yan? So divided by 19.5 times 100. So that is 946% growth of your investment. Kung yung pera mo, nilagay mo dito, let's say meron kang 100,000 dito. So magkano yung magiging pera mo this year kung nag-invest ka last 2004. So let's say may 100,000 ka nun times 46% kasi 946% naman, di ba? So that is 9.46 in decimal. So magiging 946,000 na yung pera mo. Yung 100,000 mo, magiging 946,000. That is the power of stock investing, guys. So again, hindi ito palagi nangyayari. Pero mangyayari ito kapag marunong kang pumili ng isang kumpanya na kung saan mag-invest ka. For me, I always look for companies which have a good brand like Jollibee, SM, BPI, Ayala, ano pa, yung mga banks natin dyan sa Pilipinas like BDO, ito yung mga gandang companies that will really not let you down over time. So, although pag makikita mo guys, halimbawa dito nakabili ka last 2014 at the price of 228, then nag-down siya after some months. Nag-down siya, naging 189. So, ang trick dito is hindi mag-panic kasi ang iba nagpa-panic, nabili nila dito, then bigla nag-down dito, nag-panic na. So, binenta at a losing price. So, I will tell you guys that that is a losing strategy. That's not investing. So, if you know that the company is good in the long run, you really don't need to panic. But, in technical analysis, you should never buy at this kind of price kasi first technique na ginagamit ko is yung fundamental analysis. Ito yung tinitingnan ko yung company, as I said to you, all of you, na tinitingnan natin yung company based on its financial health. Ano nga ba yung status niya at ano yung potential niya to grow. So that is fundamental analysis. Pero kung technical analysis naman, ginagamit ko to kung maganda bang bilhin ngayon si Jollibee, for example. So, pag nag-draw ako ng, ito, basic lang to ha. So, nag-draw ako ng trend line kasi makikita mo upward movement yung price, di ba? Parang nag-up down lang siya. Pero sometimes, pumapalo siya sa line na to. Tumatama siya. So, kung makikita mo, mataas pa yung price. So, ang gagawin natin is mag-antay pa na bumagsak pa siya malapit dito. Diyan tayo makakamura. Kasi kung dito, halimbawa bumili ka, malayo siya sa line na yan, di ba? So, yan ang tinatawag na resistance. So, napakalayo niya sa support area. So, hindi magandang bilhin ng stock. So, also take note na hindi lahat ng magagandang companies or mga sikat na companies are good to buy now. So, in order for you to find out if it is good to buy now, then use technical analysis. And so guys, I am actually teaching my students how to do technical analysis. So this technical analysis really helps me a lot. So if you only know fundamental analysis, it's good, but it's not enough to become very successful in stock investing, because for me, technical analysis is very important para marunong tayong pumosisyon kung saan ba magandang bilhin yung isang stock. So, more about the technical analysis, you will know more about that if you will enroll to my online stock mentoring. Also guys, available din yung recorded session kasi minsan yung iba medyo namamahalan sa price na 3,500 for my stock mentoring online. So, ino-offer ko naman yung recorded session ko at a lower price. So, just visit my my FB shop, Stock Mentor Neil, at doon makikita nyo yung iba't ibang services. So, nandyan yung stock mentoring online, live session. Ito yan. Stock mentoring online. Then, we have a recorded session. That's the price. Then, mayroon namang weekly stock updates para naman dun sa mga hindi hindi gusto mag-analyze kasi walang time or gusto na lang sumunod sa mga advice or mga stock picks ko. So, ito yun, weekly. Nire-release ko yung picks ko. I mean, ano yung mga companies na nakikita ko na maganda yung price at maganda bilhin at may potential. Ito naman is a webinar kung gusto niyo yung webinar ko. So far wala pang confirmed schedule. So I need minimum 5 people to attend this para ma-confirm. Meron din akong consultation. This is for those people who have already been investing pero palaging down yung stocks nila. So anong gagawin? So or anong magandang bilhin, anong magandang strategy na gustong gawin ninyo? Halimbawa, gusto nyong for example, sabihin nyo, Sir Neil, mayroon ako 100,000 dito. Ano ba yung mga companies or paano ko ba i-invest itong 100,000 pesos ko? Ano yung magandang companies na pwede kong piliin? So I can provide that to you. I can provide suggestion and advice. And take note guys, this is not just simple advice but a smart advice. Kasi siniscreen ko yung mga companies based on fundamentals at pag maganda yung fundamentals, then saka natin gagamitan ng technical analysis para malaman natin kung what is the right price to buy that stock. So, yun guys, that is the advertisement. So, back to the topic. So, yun, ganito guys, paano tayo kumita sa stock market. Meron naman iba guys na ayaw ng masyadong long term na mag-aantay ka ng masyadong matagal. Yun ang long term Mayroon namang iba na mid term. Mid term naman guys, yan ang madalas kong gamitin na strategy na minimum 3 months pwede ko nang ibenta yung stock. So 3 months, 4 months, 5 months, up to 1 year. Yan ang ko. Para nakikita ko talaga yung profit. Kasi anong advantage niyan? Kasi may mga time na halimbawa dito ka nakabili, no? At 186, tumaas siya. Pero hindi mo kinuha yung profit mo after more months at hinayaan mong bumagsak na naman at mag-aantay ka na naman ng another time to let the price up. So, okay, ito hindi magandang halimbawa kasi tumaas pa yung price lalo. Okay, dito. Halimbawa, bumili ka dito, no? 201. And after some months, naging 213 na per share. Then, nag-antay ka dito, nag-flattened. Then, after naman some months, bumagsak at pareho ng level ng halos kapareho ng price na buying price mo dati. So, parang nawala lang silbi yung pag-aantay mo dito. So, yun nga. Minamaximize, tinitake advantage ko yung time na ganito. Yung nandito ako. At kapag nagre-reverse na, exit na. Halimbawa, itong mga parts na yan. Or itong mga parts na yan. Then, pag nakukuha ko yung profit dito, pipili na naman ako ng magandang stock na may magandang position. At ganito, all over and over again, as time goes by, na-accumulate ko yung profits at yung money is growing. So, that is mid-term investing. Mayroon namang mga swing trader or day trader, hindi ko ina-advise sa inyo yan guys. Those are for professionals na. So kapag nag-uumpisa ka pa lang, mas maganda at mas safer at lesser risk kapag long term yung investing natin, mid term or long term. So ganun guys, yan ang pamamaraan paano kumita sa stock market. I hope that it really helps you a lot. So ngayon naman tingnan ko kung may mga questions dito. So Jeff from Israel. Hi Jeff, kumusta dyan? Kumusta yung Jerusalem? So, okay, MPI. So, Jerome Mendoza nagre-request ng MPI. Okay, actually I will create another YouTube video about this request, like company specific. I've been posting some videos recently, but it was about PXP. Pero yung PXP guys, these are not good for investing. It's purely about trading at very, very high risk. Kahit halimbawa mag-CR ka lang, delikado kasi baka pagbalik mo yung halimbawa yung mga nagpo-post sa iba't ibang group na 10K na yung profit niya sa PXP. Nag-CR lang siya, pagbalik niya, 1,500 pesos na lang yung profit. Minsan nakakatawa talaga mag-follow ng mga mga posts sa Facebook. So, okay, Nolps, so yung estudyante ko from Malaysia. Hi, Nolps, kumusta? I hope that we are doing good in your investments after our session. Cheryl, watching from Hong Kong. Wow, Cheryl, I know that you are one of my subscribers for my weekly stock updates. Hello sa iyo dyan. Mano, from Western Australia. Wow, amazing. Nasa Europe ako at ikaw naman ay nasa kabilang panig ng daigdig. Amazing talagang yung technology natin o nga naman technology nga natin na talagang kahit saan sang panig ka ng mundo, sabi nga ng patalastas malayo man, malapit din. So actually meron din akong estudyante, future student this coming weekend from Queensland, Australia. 9 hours yung time difference namin. So halimbawa 7 a.m., 8 a.m. gigising ako para sa mentoring online. 5 p.m. naman sa Australia. So yan, GFC yon yung tinalakay ko kanina, yung GFC. Okay, itong character ano ba to? I don't know kung anong character to. Ano yan, Hebrew or ano? Hello sa'yo dyan. Alright guys, so I hope everybody is doing good. It's already too late in Philippines, I know. But some guys are... hello, Tam Tam. Yes, my student who is from USA. Hello, Tam Tam. Kumusta? Alright. So this guys, I will upload this this video actually. It will be in my page, but I will still download it and post it in my YouTube channel. So don't forget guys, I have actually a YouTube channel. So para sa mga hindi pa nalaman yung YouTube channel ko, just type Arnel Papula. And then you'll be able to see all the videos that I am uploading my channel. And don't forget to subscribe. Marami kayong matututunan dito. From time to time, I'm always uploading new videos. Alright guys, so that's it. Thank you very much for participating. Until next time. Bye-bye.